Hi everyone, I'm Lala Bad. Welcome. Today I have something for y'all. This is a subscription box. It's called The Box. I'm a little annoyed. I'm kind of irritated, frustrated. If you don't know about Fashionsta or the Fashionsta's The Box, then let me tell you, it's a $24.99 a month. You get five full-size items. Or I feel like you do get more skincare than you do makeup. And they ship at the end of the month. So you don't get your box until the next month, which is irritating. It really is. Today's February 3rd. They didn't ship out until the 27th. It was near the end of January 2020. And they basically said on their post, just to paraphrase, is we apologize. We're a brand new brand. We're a brand new subscription box. We're going to try to get it together. And I'm sorry if you feel some type of way about it. But if you don't like it, then it was nice doing business with you. It is what it basically was. Now, they're not as cocky as BoxyCharm's owner. But I think they are trying to get it together. So I'm going to try to stick with them until they get it together, I guess. And hopefully because they push out some really good, I feel like they're really good products. I like the makeup that they throw in. And I like that they're really, like if I post something and I say I got it from my Fashionsta box or The Box, then they'll like repost me, which is, good on my end because, I'll get an audience from them, maybe, who knows. A lot of the subscription boxes don't do that. Like I post Ipsy, they ain't never gave a fuck about me. I post BoxyCharm, they ain't never gave a fuck about me. So I do like that aspect. Like they really do appreciate our business. I just wish, I told them this too. I was like, y'all got it. Y'all almost got the perfect box if y'all just got your shipping together. So without further ado, let's open up the box and see if it was worth the wait. So when you open it, you get the card, the box. So as you can see, it's a January box because it says Happy New Decade. Bitch, we late. We in February. How about Happy Valentine's Day? They give you what you get in here. And then they give you the pricing or the value. The month of January, the total retail value is $139. And again, you only pay $24.99. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, 7 products? Okay, maybe they're making up for the shipping. I don't know. I didn't even look at the spoilers. So let's just get to it. This is what it comes like. I haven't looked. Ooh, okay. Now, I do want to say that I am grandfathered in from the 2019 price. So, the 2019 price, I think that's when they launched in 2019. It started off at $19.99. So, I'm grandfathered in, so I paid $19.99. But if those of you who signed up with them in January, towards the end of December, you probably are paying $24.99. So those of you that are paying $24.99, I bet y'all feel way worse than I do. Pore Blackhead Steam Pack and Pore Original Pack Duo. The value is $16. It's a detoxifying duo featuring a steaming mask that opens and deeply cleanses pores. Then a cooling mask to tighten and minimize the appearance of pores. So that's cool. All right. So far, so good. Okay. The next item I'm picking up is this. This is Lucy or Lucy. I think it's Lucy Metallit. This values at $15. An oil-based face gel that works as a sleepy mask, highlighter, 20-minute treatment, and moisturizer to instantly hydrate and tone for post-facial results. Oh, bronzer? I'm going to just take a swatch of that. Oh, cool. That would definitely, I can see that being a highlighter. Bronzer, probably not, but definitely a highlighter. It has like a wet effect. Okay, cool. This is CLE Multi-Cream. This is valued at $32. A multi-cream in a rich and luxurious multifunctional cream infused with calming Palo Santo essential oil and extract for moisturizing skin. All right, next box is this. This is Bang Beauty Lip Crown. Is valued at $18. This long wearing lip crown delivers high pigment, rich color that lasts. It locks in hydration, leaving your lips soft long after wear. I don't feel like this is my color, and I think I would gift this to someone who I think might match that. So I'm not going to swatch it, but this is what she looks like. Really pretty. It's just not for me. This is Luna by Luna Lip Oil. It's valued at $18. This lip oil formula is a luxurious treatment oil that transforms lips from dry and damaged to moisturized and hydrated, all while adding just a hint of sheer color. The instant lightweight technology nourishes and hydrates while soothing your lips and giving them a natural shine. This is Galactic Precise Marker Liner. It's valued at $20. Favored by many with the Star Beauty Award behind it, the Precise Marker Liner was designed to create a thin or thick cat-winged liner. The tip is soft and precise with a weightless, long-lasting, smudge-proof formula. This is Ibby Beauty City Limits Eyeshadow Palette. It is valued at $20. This eyeshadow palette is packed with 12 highly pigmented, buttery, and blendable shades infused with rose hip seed oil for skin protecting properties. This mauve palette has the ideal balance of light transition and dark shades. We can't wait to see the looks you'll create. These are the colors. I'm going to start off with the top row. We have Road Trip, Nightfall, Headliner, and Drop Base. Second row is Glamping, Fire and Ice, Playlist, and VIP. Ooh, I like that VIP a lot. Wow. Okay, last row is Silent Disco. I like this one. Light Show. It's really pretty. I can tell I'm gonna love that one. Dance Party and Backstage. It's a matte. Ooh, I knew I was gonna like these. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I love this palette. Okay, wait. There's not one here that I don't like. Okay. Yay! Okay, so is it worth the wait? Oh, yes, it is. It is. It really, really is. I think it is. For $19.99. Even for $24.99. I love it. Okay, I'm keeping this for sure. Keeping this because I'm very interested. It sounds interesting. The lip oil for sure. The liner, hell yes. This moisturizer, yes. It's good to have moisturizers at all times. I'm only giving away this, which I'm fine with because I have enough lippies. And what else? Is that it? Oh, and this here. This, what is this? Oh, this thing here. Yeah, I like that. I want to try it at least. But that's the box. All right, worth the wait, in my opinion. I'm not as mad anymore or irritated or annoyed. Really, I'm not. I hope you liked this video. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. So quickly how things change, right? All right, y'all have a great rest of the week. Okay, bye.